everybody, Miss Tiffany here with Pinocchio Jubilee Library. Thank you for joining us again for another fairy tale picnic. At the front desk, you will find your to-go kit. It will have some foam accessories and googly eyes and some gem buttons, as well as a bag of dough mix. So this is very special this week. We will be making melting snowmen. And so what you're going to need at home, you're going to take this, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of dish soap, which I hope everybody has. You will also need some vinegar and water. So you will add your 2 tablespoons of dish soap to this. You'll mix it in and it'll be nice and crumbly. And then you'll need about 8 tablespoons of water. Add the water 1 tablespoon at a time and keep mixing. This dough will not turn out to be the same consistency of the regular Play-Doh you're used to. It will be a little softer and crumbly, but it should be able to hold a ball. And if you get to your 8 tablespoons and it's not quite doing it, just add 1 more tablespoon at a time until it holds a ball. Then you can make up your snowmen or your snow piles, and you can add and decorate them and play with them, and then put a little bit of vinegar into a bottle. You can puncture a hole in a regular water bottle, or you can buy a squirt bottle, or use an old ketchup or mustard bottle. Will work just fine. Fill that one up with vinegar and let the kids spray it down and watch the magic melting happen. The kids can play in the melted foam as well, and it's a really great sensory exercise for them. All right, so today I've included lyrics to our song. So we're going to be singing Snowflake, Snowflake. And this is to the sound of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, so here's how it goes. Snowflakes, snowflakes falling down, falling, falling to the ground. Can you catch them on your nose? Will they fall and touch your toes? Reach on down and touch your toes. Snowflakes, snowflakes falling down, falling, falling to the ground. Okay guys, I hope you have fun with this. Let us know how you like it, and we'll see you back here next week. Bye guys.